Today in this video I will talk about CPA marketing. What is CPA marketing? Cost per action or cost per acquisition. This video will become a very interesting and really I will show you my earnings on the screen as well, and I will show you the methods how you can do this, and each and everything I will explain in this video. That if you are new on this channel, make sure to subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon, and one more thing I'll add in this video, that please, if you like the video, hit the like button as well. So you can use any network like CPA Grip, CPA Lead, or any network. You can apply these type of methods on any network. I will show you on my screen. So let's move to the screen. So guys, first of all, you will go to the CPA Grip. You can make an account, very simple and very easy. But first of all, I will show you my earnings first. So you can see I have earned $74, and this is the live proof. I will show you each and everything. Don't worry. You will make an account on CPA Grip, or if you are using any other network, you can use, and there is not a big deal. I will show you the method you can apply for any networks, and I will show you that. First of all, when you will go to the CPA Grip, click on the My Offers, My Tools. If you are new, you can watch my playlist to understand how you can create CPA Grip account, and more methods you will understand in the playlist. So you will click over here, Offer Tools, My Offers, and then after that you will select some country. So let me tell you one thing, that people mistakes when they select country. CPA offers, you can say, in the affiliate marketing, you can promote your offer, you can promote your links on any other sites. But in CPA marketing, there is a little bit different, that you have to be specific for the country. Means the offer, if the offer will become will be United States, so you have to promote your CPA offers to United States people, or any other country like France, Spain, or any other country. So this is the little bit different in affiliate marketing and CPA marketing. So you will promote your offer to the specific country. For example, I have selected United States over here. So you can see over here, these are the offers that will pay out you 41 cents, 81 cents, $2.5. So first of all, we will select this offer. I'm gonna click over here. So this offer is actually for desktop users and email zip submit. So if the person will fill up this particular action, you will get $2.5, and this will become your affiliate link. Okay, so you will promote this link. We cannot promote affiliate link without landing or bridge page, but in this method you will not require any landing page. Okay guys, you have selected your offer, and after that you will go to the website Reddit. Reddit is the platform, is the biggest platform where you can promote your offers. Make sure to watch this video complete, otherwise you will get confused. After that, whenever you create account over here, it will take 2 minutes, 5 minutes maximum. You can create free account on Reddit, and then I wanna show you. For example, we have selected one offer. So we have selected the niche of a free PayPal gift card. You will go to the Google, and you will write free PayPal gift card, and you will get some article from here. So let's suppose I'm gonna select some article from here. Okay, then I'm going to click over here, and I will over here. I'm not reading this article because this is just an example. You will read first, and after that I will copy this article from here, and then after that I will paste on Reddit. How you can paste? Click over here, then you will write some catchy title. I want to show you how you can create your title. So I will paste over here this complete article, copy paste article. We will remove these things, term and condition and this type of things. We will remove these links, and after that all kind of links you will remove. Okay, For example, I am removing this place because it will take our time, otherwise I do this. Otherwise you will write over here cashback and these type of things. You will write some catchy title over here and over here as well. How you can create your title, I want to show you some example that you can use phrases such as you will miss this offer, this is your last chance to buy, time's running out, last few spots left. So it will be more I mean in the hurry time, means you are giving them actually some time limit to do this, hurry up and this type of thing. Okay, so this is the random example. You can use these titles as well, and we will select some some title from here. So copy here, and then after that I will just need to click over here or paste over here, and after that you will go to this section. You will write some catchy title as well over here, and then you will pick your affiliate link which you have get from CPA Grip. I'm going to copy link from here, and then I'm going to Reddit, and then I'll click on the link, and after that I will paste affiliate link there. So I have to copied a link from their affiliate link. I'm going to paste over here. Email your text cashback. This is the random example. You will change your title according to your niche. I'm going to click over here, insert. The link will get blue, and if any person will click over here, it will redirect to the the offer, and you will get commission after filling some particular action. Make sure the very interesting and major part over here, make sure whenever you create a post, you will select yourself, your profile, otherwise Reddit will get banned you. Don't try to do this. So click over here on your profile, and then you can easily promote your CPA offers on a Reddit. Simple, easy. I have shown you this method. I hope you will not get this type of method anywhere. So the good thing is you didn't write any article, you didn't create a landing page, so you can promote. I don't think so after this video you will be stuck to promote your CPA offers, because there is no work, just a copy paste work. You get article from Google, you paste your article on Reddit, or you can spin your article. That will be your choice. You will simply select yourself on community, and then after that you will put your affiliate link like this, the offer link, and you can easily promote on Reddit, and you will 100% get results. I have shown you each and everything, so this will become a very helpful for you. I have tested this method, I got results. This is my random account, otherwise I can show you. So make sure to understand this thing, that you can do this easily if you know complete method, a clear method. I test each and everything, that's why I make videos. So hope this video will become a very helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me on comments, and make sure to share and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much. Take care and goodbye.